What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can start investing in gold on Revolut, or for that matter any other precious metal. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut account, you will be on your home page. So from your home page, go ahead and head over to the Invest tab right here. Now on the Invest tab, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you can see the Commodities section. So gold is a commodity, so it will be under this section of the app. Now just go ahead and tap on Commodities, and if you're just starting out, you will see this screen right here. So you will just need to scroll down to the bottom and click Accept. And from here you will be able to access the Commodities tab on Revolut. So they currently only offer gold, silver, palladium and platinum. So for the sake of this video, let's say that you want to buy gold. So to buy some gold on Revolut, you would just need to tap on gold and then just tap on buy. Now you would need to input the amount of gold that you would like to purchase. So let's say 5 euros of gold, and then you can click preview. So trading fees for commodities are quite a bit higher than for any other financial asset. So as you can see, if I would like to buy 5 euros of gold, I would need to pay 1 euro in fees. So to complete the purchase, you would just need to click submit, which I will not do now, but as soon as you click submit, your order will be completed, and in this case 5 euros minus the 1 euro fee will be credited to your Revolut account. Now once you click submit, you will be able to see your investment on the home screen of the Investments tab. So right here. So essentially, that's guys how you can start investing in gold on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.